welcome back to my channel. My name is Sahar and today is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. So I decided to launch a series on my channel called the Color Story series, and it's gonna be like a Monday thing where I'm gonna be posting tutorials on looks that are like monochrome, that have like a story to them. For example, today I'm wearing red. It's a red story thing. It's a theme. Maybe next Monday I'm going to be posting, I don't know, a pink look or a purple. What do you guys think I should post? But yeah, so if you are interested, please give me a like and subscribe down below. It's optional, but you know, no pressure. No pressures. Before anything else, my name is Sahar. I like makeup. I like horrors and hauntings and everything under the sun. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me that are like this. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Okay, let's just get started. I am first priming my eyes with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer just to give me a nice tacky base, and I am layering some of that red from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette just to make sure that it really gives me a nice pop of red. And I'm just building the color up before I start to blend. Now I am layering some of that red, matte red from the Morphe 35O2 palette until I get the desired saturation. And I am also going over the center of my lids with the shimmer version of that red in the same palette. Then I'm going to be deepening the outer part of my eyes with some of that black from the 35O2 palette, and I'm going to be putting some concealer on the inner side of my eyes just so that I can ready myself for the yellow, so that the yellow will pop a lot more. The yellow I'm using is from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and this does need to be built up quite a bit, so yeah. Next, I'm going to be making this area brighter by adding a little bit more of the red, and yeah, I'm just going to be putting my foundation and everything on, and I'll be right back. Now I am smoking out some of that red from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm also going to be smoking over that some of that yellow just to make it a little bit brighter. And then I'm going to be topping off my lips with the Color Dancer from the Maybelline Superstay Matte Inks. I do have a swatch video which I'll be linking down below. I'm donning a wet look. Actually, I just had a shower, so my hair is wet. But yeah, so there you have it, everyone. That is my red tutorial. My red. That is the red look. I just used two palettes. I used the Morphe 35O2 palette, and I also used the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which just has every color. This is actually what inspired me to create my series because it has everything. For my blush, I used the Hourglass Ambient Light Blush in Diffused Heat. I used the Butter Bronzer for my bronziness. For my highlight, which is like popping right now, and my like contour, I used the Sculpt Glow by Focalure. I do have a video, and I will be linking this up here. This is like, you should watch the video. For my brows, my friend did launch some brow products, and I'm using the pomade and her pencil. This is an interesting pencil because it comes in threes, so you have the powder in the center, the pencil in the other side, and then it's a brow mascara on the other end. So wait for my review on these. I will be posting it up here. For foundation, I used the L'Oreal True Match Infallible, and for my under eyes, I used the Age Rewind. I also did set my under eyes, I did set my eyelids with the No Filter Concealer. And lastly, for my lips, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Lip Inks. No, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Lip. Oh yeah, it is the Matte Lip Inks in Dancer, which is a very bright, vivacious red. I have a video up here on swatching most of those lipsticks of the lip colors. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you see me again. I hope to see you again. Please subscribe. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe and like this video if you did. Comment down below what color story I should do next. And yeah. See you in my next one. Bye.